Okay, so this is the Style Arc Diana knit tank. So it's a nice simple tank top, vest top. I have made, well, this is the soft V version, and I've given you 3 different options to do on the neckline and armholes. So this version I have done with the Pico elastic trim. This is the red. You can just see my bra strap here on the neckline, but the Pico runs around there and around the armhole. I shortened this one by about 2 inches from what the pattern is to a length that I was comfortable with, and yeah, it's a nice, easy. I can see me wearing this for yoga and Pilates in the summer, or even with the smarter trouser, or layering with other pieces. So it's a nice. That's my Birkenstocks making noises on the carpet. Yeah, it's nice, it's simple. There's not a lot happening here, but it's a good project if you've never sewn with knit fabrics before. I show you the options either to do it with the overlocker or to do it with the sewing machine. So this version was an overlocker, apart from the neckline and the hem. Let me come back and show you. So this is the version I sewn up on the sewing machine. This version is the one with the boat neck. And I've sewn this all up on the sewing machine. You can see this delicate little shell tuck edge. I've done that on the armholes, the neckline, and also across the hem as well, just to add a little bit of detail and interest. This one I haven't shortened. Interestingly, I found the proportions on this one work better longer on me. So this fabric has a bit less stretch. It's more of a, the other one's bamboo lycra, this one is a polyester, and it's a bit looser, less recovery, just gives a slightly different look. You know, even if you were to make the same version neckline and stuff, the fabric really makes a difference on this. So this is your Style Arc Diana with the boat neck. Okay, definitely not my most put together finished garment, but this is the Diana vest, Diana tank with the Papow pants. Just wanted to show you another option, wearing it a little bit smarter. Just excuse the face, I've just been out for a really fast training walk and I'm overheating. So yeah, it's kind of, it works as a smarter kind of dressed up feel too. Let me show you the white one now. So this is what I envisaged when I was making this kind of slightly sheer white one. Wearing it with a bright sports bra underneath, just to kind of zing it up. So I really quite like it like that. You can see the sports bra straps. You can obviously see through it. And yeah, it works as a kind of smarter top as well. You can put some jewellery on with it as well. So I look forward to seeing all your versions in the Love and Stitches Club Facebook group really